A large diameter tube retubing project always starts with one challenge: removing the old tubes safely and efficiently. That's exactly what the KRAIS HPR-CP2000 was built for. This hydraulic gripper-type tube puller delivers up to 30 tons of pulling force, making it the ideal choice for anyone looking to avoid the slow spear-type tube removal method. Whether you're dealing with worn, corroded or leaking tubes in a heat exchanger, replacing tubes in a fire tube boiler, or working on sugar mill evaporators and air coolers in coking plants, the HPR-CP2000 is designed to handle demanding tube removal jobs. It delivers approximately 95% of the pulling capacity of a spear-type puller for larger diameter tubes, while operating up to 5 times faster. It's equally effective during complete tube bundle replacement, where every tube must be removed before new ones can be installed. During planned shutdowns and plant turnarounds, reliability and productivity are critical. The HPR-CP2000 helps maintenance crews remove tube stubs quickly while maintaining full control throughout the pulling process. Once the tube-to-tubesheet joint has been released, the machine applies a smooth, controlled pulling force to extract mechanically expanded tubes with minimal effort. Some applications demand even more: heavy wall tubes, tightly fitted tubes, or tubes that have been in service for decades often require exceptional extraction force. That's where the HPR-CP2000 demonstrates its capabilities. The system is available with interchangeable grippers, sized to match different tube diameters, making it suitable for a wide range of maintenance applications. From refineries, chemical and petrochemical plants to power plants, sugar mills, shipyards and other process industries, the HPR-CP2000 supports maintenance teams wherever reliable tube extraction is essential. When high pulling force, dependable operation and efficient retubing are the priority, the HPR-CP2000 delivers the performance professionals expect.